Hi guys, this is Ryan with Professional Hand Therapy with Sarah today. And today we're going to be talking about tendon gliding exercises. Tendon gliding exercises are a great thing to do whether you have carpal tunnel syndrome or you've just had an injury to the wrist, maybe a wrist fracture which involves surgery or a wrist sprain. So what tendon gliding exercises does is that it helps you to move the tendons of the fingers, which help to make a fist. It helps them to move through the carpal tunnel and through any areas which might have had an incision due to a surgery or an injury. What this helps to do is it helps to help the tendons literally glide through that space, which helps to create room, helps to prevent any kind of adhesions, and helps to reduce the symptoms of carpal tunnel syndrome as well as keeping the hands nice and flexible. So what we'll do is we'll start off with demonstrating with Sarah here. So you always want to start off in a nice extended position, make sure that the fingers are fully straight. So the first motion that we're going to do is we'll have Sarah come into a hook fist. A hook fist pretty much means that you're making a regular fist, only you're keeping the knuckles nice and straight. So after all these motions, you'll always come back to a perfectly straight position. After this, you'll come into a complete fist, straighten out. And then you'll go into a shelf position, which means you're going to have your hand like this, bending only at the knuckles, straighten out again. And the last position will be a straight fist, which is almost like a regular fist, only you're keeping this part of the hand nice and straight. So what we'll do is that we'll usually do that for about 3 sets of 10, roughly 3 times a day. You'll notice that with these exercises that your hand might get tired a little bit, but you'll also notice the hand feeling a lot more flexible. If you have carpal tunnel syndrome, you'll start to notice that some of those symptoms might decrease a little bit. If you've had an injury to the wrists or a fracture to the wrist, you'll notice that the fingers will also stay nice and flexible and be less stiff as you go throughout your recovery process. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching and we'll see you next time.